Alright guys, welcome back. Today let's analyze a stock that I hold myself, COSCO Shipping. First, let's quickly scan through a few different metrics. COSCO is the largest container shipping company in China. Its financial condition is relatively okay. Since it turned profit within the past 10 years, it's only been profitable for 8 consecutive years. The past 10 years, earnings growth is huge. Its earnings grew by 50 times. It also hasn't paid out dividend for that long, only 6 consecutive years. In recent years, its cash flow is well above the dividend it paid out, while maintaining a super high dividend yield of close to 10%. Its price to earning, price to book, and ROE all look pretty amazing. The valuation seems pretty low. I also estimated its intrinsic value by adding up its current liquidation value with the next 10 years total dividend, and I got 12.7 yuan per share. Okay, we quickly looked over some quantitative analysis. Why didn't we spend more time on this part? That is because there is one factor that affects COSCO's stock performance much more directly. That is freight shipping rates. To understand this, let's use a brief example. Let's say if we run a small cargo ship, no matter how the shipping rate changes, our cost, including fuel, toll charges, and the labor, stay relatively the same. If the regular shipping rate is $100 per trip and our cost is $80 per trip, then our profit is at $20. Say the shipping rate increases by 20% to $120, then our profit actually doubles to $40. Say if the shipping rate increases further by 60% to $160 per trip, then our profit quadruples to $80. So you can see the fluctuation in shipping rate can cause much bigger fluctuation in COSCO's profits. A big increase in shipping rate causes a huge spike in profit. Since the year 2020, the world experienced coronavirus pandemic. Evergreen cargo ship blocked Suez Canal. Yemen Houthis armed forces cutting off the Red Sea route. These events caused the international shipping rate to stay at a high level. COSCO benefited from this and raked in huge earnings. This explains the nice earnings, generous dividend payout, abundant cash flow, and a seemingly low valuation we saw earlier in the quantitative analysis. Currently, I still hold some COSCO stock. It's now only 2.3% position in my portfolio. I think the events that boosted international shipping rate in the past few years will eventually end, and I cannot bet that these kind of events will continue happening. My current plan is that if the stock price hits 17.5 yuan per share, I will sell all my holdings, and if the stock price comes down to within 13 yuan per share, I may increase my position by a little bit, but I will probably not increase it to over 10% position. Alright, thanks guys for watching. You're welcome to share your opinion or ask questions in the comments. I will see you next time. Stay tuned.